Hello everyone. The point of sale scrap order module will allow you to create and scrap order from the point of sale. At first, let's complete the configuration. For this, we need to get into the point of sale. Under the configurations, you can see the settings. Now let's get into the point of sale and where you can see an option for scrap order option barcode. Now here you can see two options. So one will be in creating and validate the scrap order for the product has stock, and the another one will be an always create scrap order and validate if the product has stock, otherwise it will be in the draft stage. Now let's get into the point of sale. So here in this you can see the shop. Let's get into that. In the another tab, let's get into the product form page where we can see the list of products. Okay, so for example, so for this product you can see it has n quantity. Okay, 16 on hand quantities. Now let's get into the point of sale, and the configuration of this will be okay, create and validate this scrap order for if the product has only stock. So you can see that for this product we have on hand quantity. So let's create an scrap order for this product. Now for this I'm going to search end product. So here you can see the product. Now let's select the product and I'm going to select the customer. And over here, after installing this module, you can see two options in the point of sale screen. One will be the scrap, another one will be the scrap orders. So while clicking the scrap orders, you can see all the list of scrap orders with the state. And in this page, you can see the name, product, quantity, and also the state of it. So to create a new scrap orders, you can just click on the scrap option available here, and this will display all the list of products that we have added into the that we need to be added into the scrap. Now here in this you can see an option to create and scrap order. So once you click on that, it will open a wizard where it will show a message that scrap order will be successfully created. Now let's click on the OK and get back to the scrap orders. And here you can see this will be the one which I have added. Okay, and it will be in the done state. Now let's get into the configuration part. You can see that we have selected will be create and validate the scrap order for the product which we have the stock. So now let's get into the products and see and another product which didn't have any stock in our hand. So now this will be the product, there is no stock in our hand. So let's copy this and get back to the point of sale. Now let's place an order for this product. Okay, so here in this I'm adding the product and I'm adding this product over here, and I'm going to make an scrap order for this. Okay, the scrap order will be created successfully, but when we get into here, that same product will not be available over here because that on hand quantity is not available. So as per the configurations, so the on hand quantity will not be updated. Okay, so here in this, now let's change the settings to always create scrap order and validate if the product has stock. Okay, now I'm going to save this one and refresh the point of sale page, and here over here I'm going to place this order for the same product which doesn't have any quantity. Now I'm going to place an order. Okay, now I'm going to create a scrap order. Okay, so now let's get into the scrap order list where you can see that order will be placed for the draft one which will be in the draft state. Okay, this will be the scrap order which we have created and which will be in the draft state. Now, in this case, if we add an on-hand quantity product, for example, let's get into the products. And for this product, there will be an on-hand quantity. So let's copy this. And now let's get into the point of sale screen and add the same product into the cart. Okay, so for this, let's add the product into the cart, and I'm going to create a scrap order for this product. And regarding this, let's get into scrap order, and you can see that if we have the quantity in our hand, it will be in the done state automatically as per the rule that we have configured. So in this way we can make use of this module to create and scrap order from the point of sale screen. And like the same way we can see all the scrap orders from the backend too. So for that, I'm getting into an inventory where under the operations you can see the scraps, and here these are the scrap orders which have been created from the point of sale, and also we can create a scrap order from here too. and there is a filter to filter and point of sale scrap orders separately. So by using this option you can easily filter the point of sale scrap orders. So in this way, we can make use of this module to create and scrap orders from the point of sale screen. If you have any queries regarding this video, you can ask in the comment box. We will definitely solve your queries. And if you feel this video is helpful to you, you can like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for more Odoo related updates. Thanks for watching.